Hello, dear students. We are studying chapter 1, that is planning in sport in physical education. We have discussed various definitions given by educationalists in the field of physical education. We discussed about the committees and their responsibilities, and we discussed about the objectives and importance of planning. So, these all things we have discussed. Hope so you have understood everything. So today in our fourth session we are moving forwards with different kinds of tournaments. Tournaments you might have understood. Tournaments teams are competing each other. There are various ways to conduct a tournament that we are going to discuss today. Tournament if we will define as or refer it as a healthy competition to decide the best team in a game or sport. Or in other words, we can say it is a competition to decide the winner or top ranked team or teams. It is the sport festival where teams play against each other in a congenial way. Tournaments are essential and the most important part of physical education curriculum. These are the best way for satisfying the nature will of competition. Nowadays, tournaments are organized in a civilized way with certain rules and regulations which every team has to follow. A tournament provides good platform to display the talent and perfection of skills, techniques, tactics and strategies. Tournaments also provide evaluation and comparison of the teams. We can come to know which teams are good, which teams have to improve, and which teams are uh, not so performing better. So these all things we will come to know after a tournament. Thus, they can act as an inspiration and encouragement for a student. The type of tournament depends upon various factors like funds available, time period or duration, level of standard of team, infrastructure available, staff, facilities available, etc. Facilities, suppose you don't have the ground for a basketball tournament, you cannot conduct it. So it is very essential to have a court first. So we have to see our facilities and accordingly we are supposed to conduct a tournament. If we don't have a proper field with the proper measuring, we cannot conduct a football match. So we have to see all these things and only then we can proceed to conduct a tournament. There are various types of tournament, but there are four major. First one is knockout tournament. Second one is league or round robin tournament. And then third is combination. Combination is of league come knockout. Means both the things are there. Both the things are there. We can conduct tournament that way. And then challenge tournament or ladder tournament is there, which can provide the ranking of different players. Generally, it is for individual matches, as in judo or boxing. So these tournaments are conducted for single players, individual matches. Then we have fixtures. There are different kinds of fixtures through which we can conduct a tournament in a proper way. So these all things are there that we'll discuss tomorrow. For today, I think you have understood the types of tournament and why we are conducting the tournament. So stay safe, remain home, have good food and exercise every day. Thank you.